I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I have been wearing these nails with the nail guards on for a week and a half, and I'm just showing you guys how easy it is to remove them. I'm just showing you as well that I have got paint on my fingers because I was decorating at this point and I literally couldn't get it off. So yeah, please forgive that. It looks a bit messy, but it's not a problem. So I have got the nail guards on under this set of nails. They are super easy to apply. You can find many videos on YouTube and instructions are on the box as well. And I'm just using the Glitter Planet Outer Space pusher and scraper to remove this set. So what you want to do is just come in and with the edge of the cuticle pusher side, we're just going to try and find a little bit to pop it under, and it'll come off so easy. If you do find that it's difficult to remove, all you want to do is once you've sort of like lifted up a slight bit, you want to go ahead and drop a little bit of acetone down the side or the back of the nail so that it goes underneath, and all that's going to do is just melt that nail guard away, and it will come off really easily once you've done that. Like, it really is so easy and so simple. And I just did this because we just moved business premises, so we were having to move a lot of our stock and boxes, and we had a lot of parcels to pack and everything like that, so I really needed to keep my nails short. But we had a wedding to go to, so I needed some nails on, obviously. So yeah, that is the reason why I had the nail guards on this time. But they are great for those that want their nails doing, even if you just want to put some press-ons on for an event over the weekend, because obviously, like, if you're a nurse or a doctor, sometimes childcare workers, they cannot wear fake or false nails. They have to be al natural. So yeah, this is a great way to have those weekend nails on if you've got an event coming up or something, and then you can simply take them off before you go back to work on Monday. So yeah, I'll have them linked down below if I can find where I got them from. I think I did get them from Salon Services online. I'm just scraping a bit of paint off my skin here, y'all, as you do. But yeah, I hope this video has helped you guys out, and I do hope you enjoyed it, even though it was like a small little vid. I'm just going to keep putting up little videos like this and just feel great about doing so, because at least I've actually put extra content up that actually means something. Like, I'm not just putting crap out there. This could help somebody, okay? And I hope it helped you. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know if you think the nail guards are a good idea. And also, guys, always remember that you are bomb.com lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye. Also, one last thing to add as well is that once you've actually removed your full set, if you've removed it nicely and everything's come off in a single piece, if you keep them in the order that you kind of took them off, clean them up, file the back, you know, like clean all that stuff out, you can totally go ahead and reapply them as press-on nails. Like, yes please honey. Thanks. Bye.
I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.